guys, today I'm swapping one of these CPU miners. Actually this one, which is a Intel chip. So I'm going to swap this entire board here with this new board. Where did I put it? Okay, I got it up here. Okay, with this Asus motherboard, and I received this motherboard a few days ago. I had this cooler already. It's brand new from a chip that I purchased, and I just got in a 3700X Ryzen 7, I believe. Yeah, 7. Yeah, I think so. Chip, which I installed it. I got that from eBay, about $100. Not that bad. I've gotten them for $50–$70, but it seems like, you know, most bids are closing out about $100. So this entire board right here, I'm swapping that one, and I'm gonna put it over on this side. So currently, I ended up getting over 200,000 AVN coins. And I decided to switch over all of the rigs except for one from AVN to Raptoreum. So all of these are running on Raptoreum now. All of these rigs here are on Raptoreum. And so I'm going to try to get 100,000 and up of Raptoreum, and then I'm going to try to swap it over to something else. But currently, only one rig is running, which I believe is this one, the Kylo Ren. That's what I call the Kylo Ren one here. It's mining avian coin. I'm only going to keep one mining avian coins. I already got, actually my intention was to get 100,000, but I ended up getting 200,000 coins. So I'm right now about 215,000. But I'm just going to leave one, but the rest is going to stay on Raptoreum. So basically what I'm doing is right now is swapping this board, this Intel one, which only gives me about 3 kilohashes of speed, for one of these AMD ones, which gives me more kilohashes in I think Raptoreum. Oh no, it was actually AVN gave me the kilahashes. Raptoreum gives me hashes. You know, because the algorithm is different. So anyway, so I'm just swapping this over here. You know, I already got this 8GB memory card installed there, which I got off of eBay. I paid about $11 for it. You know, trying to get the best deals I can possibly get. And now I'm just gonna pretty much copy what I did over here in connection. It's just pretty simple. You know, so I can make sure I connect all of this stuff. So I'm gonna connect this. The CPU fan goes right over here. I'm trying to do this over my one hand. So connect that here. Hold on. I'm gonna do it with my right hand, because I'm a righty. I hope this board works. You know, because this was a used motherboard as well. And I'm going to have to power it up. That's CPU. I guess it goes here. Connect this right here. Okay, that should give it power there. Okay, and just all I gotta do is mess with the BIOS on here. That's pretty much it. I already connected the power supply, connected the CPU. Everything's connected. CPU is in. Fan is on, RAM is in, and I'm gonna have to mess with the BIOS on this. So I'm gonna definitely have to get a monitor, because these boards need a monitor, because the CPU, these boards don't come with a graphics. It's not integrated. It doesn't have integrated graphics. Also, the CPU is not integrated graphics. This CPU. So I have to connect it to a motherboard, and also I need a keyboard and a mouse, which I have down here. I have the mouse here. I'll connect the mouse and the keyboard, so I can't do all of that with one hand. I'll be right back. Since this motherboard here doesn't have integrated graphics, I have to use the graphics card. Use this old one here. And basically, just gotta power this up. Guess, yeah, I think it's ready to go. Let's see what happens. Oh, I forgot. I gotta put one of these little switches here onto the board for me to turn it on. So I'll just use, let me see what I have here. I don't think I have one on this one. I'm just gonna have to temporarily use one of these. I don't have an extra one out of this board. No, I'll use it from this board. I'll just take it out of this board. Yeah, I need a little switch to turn it on. Don't have any more extra ones, and I have to just figure out where. Let me just shut the switch off because I just cranked it on thinking it was going to turn on. Let me find the spot where I have to install this. I think it's right over here. Okay, I think it's there. So we'll see if this cranks up all these used parts, you know. And it doesn't power up. Something's not powering up. Maybe I didn't put the switch right. Let's see what happens. Okay. Let's take a look at everything here. Where does this go? Right next to there. Probably didn't put this in the right place. I have to make sure I don't have my glasses on, so. Oh, I just noticed this. Something's missing right here. This bottom piece here. But anyway, let's try it again. I don't know if this is going to work. This board is messed up. Seems to not be working. No power. No power. Oh, I'm switching it wrong. Instead of on and off, I'm just still not turning on. Okay, I got it on. Okay, it's powered on. This is powered in. Should have turned on. The board is dead. I think this board is completely dead. Board seems to be dead, I guess. Dead board. I will have to investigate further. But I just noticed that that's missing. Yeah, that's not missing. It's a dead board. The board seems to be dead. Everything's on. Fan is on. I guess I got a dead board. I'm gonna have to read the description again. The guy sold it to me. I mean, if the memory was bad, it was just those power up. And let me look down here. Everything's plugged in. Yeah, I don't know. Board seems to be dead. I think I got a dead board. I got a dead board here. Let me nothing is. Let me shut it off and take the battery out. Reset the BIOS by removing the battery. If I could do this with one hand. I think I could do this with one hand. Okay. Let's just reset the BIOS. Give it a couple of seconds. I got the power on, right? It looks like I saw. Make sure I did it right. That is the power area. It looks to be on. I can't see. There's not enough light in this area. I need a flashlight. Let me get my flashlight. Okay, stupid me. I just noticed. Let me put this battery back. You know what it is? Just noticed. I totally forgot to connect the power, the main power connector to the motherboard. just noticed that. You know, I'm there like, what the heck? I didn't connect this. Gotta connect the main power source. Let's see, put some light over here in this area. Just realized I didn't connect this piece here. Make sure this. I gotta connect the main power to the motherboard. I'm trying to do this with one hand. Can't see, there's no light. Okay, that's connected. Now I should get power. Should get power. I thought it was a dead board. I know the guy never said it, you know, it was a dead board. Alright, I see some light is on, so got some power to the board. Let's hit the switch now. Alright. Okay, looks like it's firing up. Now, go down to the screen. Thank goodness. I was like so puzzled, like what the heck? Is this on? Let's see if I can, this board actually post. The next thing I gotta see, oh, okay, posting. Alright, I'm gonna hit delete. Hit delete a few times. And then I'm gonna run F1 for setup. Okay, now I gotta start configuring this thing. You know, I gotta just do a couple of quick settings. See if I can just do this with you guys here. Well, I don't have my mouse. I mean my mouse pad, man. I'm running this on the floor. Wow. Oh, I gotta get my mouse pad. It's not gonna roll. I'm unprepared. Let me go get the mouse pad. Okay, I got the mouse pad now. Let's see. Now, the first thing. Okay, the fan is running. What I gotta do here? I gotta click on advanced mode here. And advanced here. Click on that. I go to onboard devices configurations. HD audio controller. I'll disable that. Don't need that. LED lighting is on breathing mode. I disable that as well. That's disabled. Okay. Serial port configuration, that's fine. Okay, what else? I do monitor. Click on monitor. CPU fan speed. Okay. CPU temperature. Okay, just look at fan speed. It looks like it's running good here. Alright, CPU fan speed. I usually turn off something else over here, but okay, let's go back to here. Advanced. I shut off those. What else? Let's go to APM configuration. APM configuration, restore AC power loss. Okay, that's if the power goes. The power goes out. I'm gonna change it from power off to power on. It automatically turn back on. Okay, that's done. And I think that's pretty much it on this board that I do. Yeah, usually monitor, fan speed. There was something else. I think it was like something with the CPU. Well, we'll exit and then save changes and save changes. For now, we'll do these that I know off the top of my head. You know, and then see what happens with that. Okay. Okay, so the next thing I gotta do, I believe, right, that's gonna go right into that. Alright, so let's shut it off again. And then I'm gonna put in, let's see if it jumps into Hive OS, which is the software. How do I put this? Alright, generally let me just shove this in here using one hand, like I said. Kind of annoying. I'm gonna put this in there. Can I put this in there? I don't know. Alright, I'm just gonna disconnect these. Hold on. Alright, just got the camera all over the place there. Let's see. It should turn on. Let's see if it goes into Hive OS. It should be working, I believe. So, unless there's some error or something. Just wait a little bit. Oh, of course it's not going to go into Hive OS. I don't have the Ethernet cable on. How about that? Shut it off and plug that in. Just realized that. I'm forgetting stuff today. Okay, so. Alright. So let's see. See if this baby boots up here. Run into Hive OS. No keyboard detected. That's fine. Because I just disconnected it. Alright, looks like it's going into Hive OS. Alright, yeah. Hold on, it's out of focus here. The camera was out of focus. Alright, so it's going into Hive OS. So I think I'm pretty much done with this computer. Yep, there you go, it's going into Hive OS. Yeah, looks like it's working. Okay, alright, so looks like everything's running. Everything's working and running here. So that's about it, guys. You know, I got another one set up. I got another one of these bad boys up here. I'm gonna have this one Mining Raptoreum as well. And this one here, I think I'm gonna sell this entire board. Everything works and everything on this board. I think I'm gonna sell it just the way it is. The board, memory, chip, and the fan. Probably, most likely. I don't have another power supply. I'm out of power supply. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I got like 12 power supplies. I'm gonna need, if I want to turn this one on, I'm gonna need another power supply. This one is a slower machine. I'm not going to use that one, but if I decide to turn that one on, I do need another power supply. Right, try to get one of the cheapest ones that I can find. These are not that cheap. These are $100 and something. This one I got these a really good deal last year, about 30 bucks. Now they're going for like $40, $44 around there. So that's pretty much it, guys. So that's it for the video, guys, and I hope you like it. Like the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace out.